Welcome, in front of me is iPhone 17 and in this video I will show you what to do if your microphone stopped working on this smartphone. Let's start with the most common solution, which most commonly solves the issue, which is restarting your phone. In order to restart this phone, you have to hold down the volume down button and the side button, and then move this circle to the other side of the bar and wait until your device is switched off. And once it's switched off, you have to hold down the side button of your device once again and just wait until you see the Apple logo on the screen, then you can release it. Okay, and now let's wait until this phone boots up into the system. Check if it is solved the issue, and in case it didn't, don't worry, we still have one more basic solution to check. So first of all, check if you have an internet connection by swiping down the control center and checking if you either have Wi-Fi or you have mobile network connection on your phone. Then go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and just update this page to check if there are any updates available for your phone, because maybe there are some minor fixes that were only recently added, and you still have to download them, especially if you're using a fresh new version of the software. And if there are no updates for your device, then you can also check for microphone permissions. In order to check for microphone permissions, you have to go back to settings, then privacy and security, and then scroll down until you find microphone, open this menu, and unfortunately I don't have any applications that requested the microphone access, but if you have such applications, just check the application that you were trying to use to use your microphone in, and check if it's if you have permitted the access to your microphone for this particular application, because this might also be the reason. Now, if the app, if this wasn't the problem, then go back to settings, open Bluetooth, and disable the Bluetooth, and try rechecking your microphone once again, because maybe there are any paired Bluetooth devices that might be routing audio away from your iPhone's microphone. And in case this doesn't help you, then the last solution for you would be to reset all settings by opening General, then selecting Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and reset all settings. Confirm once again, enter your passcode if prompted, and then just wait until your device is restarted. Okay, and once all settings were reset, check if you have access to your microphone now. And in case your problem still wasn't solved, then first try to remove the case, because this your case, or maybe your screen protection glass is blocking access to your microphone. Check your microphones at the bottom and at the top of your display, and if you see some debris in your microphone ports, you can try to carefully clean them only using a non-metallic soft brush, so you don't damage it, and do it very carefully. You can clean your microphones both here and here, and then try to use your voice memos app to check your microphone once again. And in case none of these solutions or none of these troubleshooting steps helped you, then you should definitely contact Apple support, because the issue might be a hardware problem, and you can get service by visiting an Apple store or contacting Apple support. But I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.